Hey there, global entrepreneurs and cross-cultural innovators. Get ready to take your startup to the next level with an epic topic: cultural sensitivity in global pitch decks. Buckle up for a wild ride as we explore the secrets to crafting a pitch that sets the world on fire. Step 1. Understand your audience like never before. Dive deep into the cultural, social, and business norms of the regions represented by your potential investors. This superpower insight will shape everything from your presentation structure to the captivating anecdotes you choose to share. Language is your ultimate weapon. Opt for simple and crystal clear wording to ensure your message reaches every corner of the globe. Say goodbye to confusing idioms or colloquial phrases that might get lost in translation. But wait, there's more. Visuals play a critical role too. Choose images, colors, and symbols that ignite positive vibes across cultural boundaries. Remember, a picture can speak 1,000 words if it's the right picture. Now, turn up the excitement by tailoring your examples. Incorporate mind-blowing case studies and dazzling success stories that mirror the diverse markets you aim to conquer. Show off your understanding and respect for your audience's background to boost your pitch's impact to the stratosphere. Flexibility is the superhero you need. Highlight how your business model effortlessly adapts to different cultural contexts, showcasing your startup's mind-blowing global potential. But hold on, don't forget nonverbal manners. Even in a virtual pitch, be aware of the cultural implications of your body language and gestures. What's cool in one culture might be a major no-no in another. Last but not least, feedback is pure gold. Gather insights from a power-packed team of diverse peers or mentors to ensure your pitch deck doesn't just dodge cultural landmines, but actively embraces and celebrates the mind-boggling beauty of diversity. Incorporating cultural sensitivity into your global pitch decks is more than a strategic move. It's a bold statement of respect and jaw-dropping global ambition. Now it's time for you to shine. How do you make sure your pitch resonates with the hearts and minds of different cultures? Share your incredible stories and mind-blowing tips for creating a pitch deck that conquers the world.